Hey, good afternoon again. It's our first class V here, teaching you another GCSS Army helpful guide. So today we're going to learn how to change admin numbers of equipment inside your unit's equipment situation report. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into display equipment level. You're going to type in your UIC that you want to work in, and down here for equipment categories. So I like searching A through Z because it's going to capture everything on the property book. Once this loads and executes, so this first one here is we're going to use for our example. So HAC 100. So we're going to just click on the equipment number, and this is going to load the T code IE03. So we're going to do a series of videos in IE03, but today we're just going to focus on changing an admin number. So the first thing you want to do is you want to see that we're in display equipment. We want to change it. So we're going to click on the little pencil in the eyeglass, go down to equipment number, type in whatever admin number you want. You're going to save, refresh, and the admin number will change. So one thing to keep in mind, anytime you're changing the admin numbers, it's good to do a memorandum for record so that you can capture the change, usually signed by your commander. And that will conclude today's videos on how to change an equipment admin number. So please hit that subscribe button and let me know your thoughts down below in the comments.